Right now, I'm going to show you how you can use hover text feature on the iPhone. If you're new here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So you probably know that part of the settings, accessibility, we can find hover text and you can enable it, but you might be wondering how exactly we use it. So at first, and at the bottom entirely, we have hover typing. So that's a bit of a different feature. So you can also enable it. And this means that whenever you are typing something into the text field, it's going to show a highlighted one somewhere above. So you can see it clearly and know exactly what you're typing in a dedicated black box, right? So that's like a feature in and of itself, but this is the hover typing. If you mean the hover text, that's a bit of a more specific feature which only works with a pointer device. So if you connect things like the mouse to the iPhone and control it like that, or in most cases, it's going to be the Magic Trackpad by Apple, right? So if I connect it through the actual cable to the iPhone like this, so let me just set it up like this, and now I have it connected through the cable on the other side. And if I want to use the iPhone with the pointer device, I actually have to set up something else. So I go to the touch, assistive touch, and enable this. And right now you can see that I can use the pointer device through the Magic Trackpad. And since I have the hover text enabled, it means that every single thing which I hover above is showing the description of it in the black box, right? So if I put my cursor or pointer right there, you can see that it says reachability turn on, right? If I click on this, it says the accessibility, because that's the place I'm going to get to if I click it, right? Now inside of the settings, it basically explains everything which I hover over. So yeah, the point is that it only works in this mode when we're using the pointer device. So if I use, as I said, a mouse or the trackpad, I can hover things, the cursor over individual things, and it just explains everything, right? So that's like the whole point of this. You can always go to these settings and disable it in here and still use the trackpad normally without this feature, but that's essentially the description of how it works. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you in the next videos as well.